was hesitating to buy it. Oh, the little color. Here are the goods. So cute! I want niya to change my cleansing routine. Ganyan na lang. So, I'm done organizing everything and setting up my desk. So, this is my vanity right now, but I will keep on rearranging them since I'm not yet contented on how it looks like right now. So, it's already 10 p.m. and I'm having my late dinner. Currently 5:40 a.m. and I have to start getting ready since I woke up pretty late. We have to start getting ready now since I have to go by 7 a.m.
Good morning, 잠은 잘 잤니, baby? 스킨십 사양할게요. 희미한 우리 둘 사이.
So I'm just going to do my skincare. So I only have exactly 30 minutes to get ready. It's currently 6 a.m. Yeah, let's start with this from Clean. So for my toner, I have this Celotech.
스킨십 사양할게요. 희미한 우리 둘 사이.
Garnier Bright Complete Serum. This is what I use every morning. I slept around 1 a.m. na kanina. Next is my moisturizer from Celotech again. And now I'm just going to do my hair. So I'm a nursing student. I'm currently a third-year college student. I'm going to put my hair in a bun. And I have to look clean and groomed. Hairnet. And I have to remove my jewelry. Now that my face is pretty dry enough, I'm just going to put this Goodall sunscreen. Just going to blend this really well. Usually pag natamad na ako mag-skincare, sunscreen lang okay na ako. So now that I'm done with my skincare routine, I'm just going to do a very light makeup. So my powder, konti lang. So now I'm just going to draw my brow really lightly, konti lang, just to add a little color. Tap a little bit. Highlighter, just a bit here. In the shade Modern Girl. Some gloss just to hydrate my lips. Very light lang. You have to just look clean and presentable. Wait lang guys, I'll pick up my cut. Shoo! Oh no! He's so hungry. This is my school bag wallet. Yeah. So, we have to go now. Bye, Shu. Bye, Shu. Love you, love you. Kiss. Mwah. I'm done getting ready now, so I have everything fixed already. As you guys can see from the title, we are doing a self-care, and also guys, might as well I'm going to show you everything that I got. I made a wish list recently and I tried to buy everything, basically everything that I need and I want. A quick disclaimer lang, I bought everything with my own money. So ayun, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I'm a freelance hair and makeup artist here sa town. So I have the means to save up my money and buy everything that I want. So yeah, some products here are actually gifts from my boyfriend. Yeah, it's quite a lot. So here are the goods. Yeah. So let's start. So unahin ko na lang yung mga gifts ng boyfriend ko. Ito talaga yung pinaka mahal sa wishlist ko. So I was hesitating to buy it, but then my boyfriend offered na I would like to give it as a gift. Ta-da! I won't buy it for myself. Honestly, hindi ko naman talaga siya kailangan, but gusto ko siya. White Truffle Nourishing Treatment Mask from the Alba. Oil Cream Cleanser. Tone-up Cream. So first that we have here is the Alba First Spray Serum. If gagamitin nyo siya, you need to shake it. Wow! Yung amoy niya guys, amoy sampagita siya na sobrang mild lang. Next, ito yung White Truffle Serum Hand Cream. Okay, let's proceed on the next item. We have the Alba Air Fit Fresh Sunstick. All you need is like swipe lang whenever you want to retouch your sunscreen. Freebie siya na pouch. Sobrang ganda. Let's move on to the next gift that I got. So I just got this dress from my boyfriend. It's actually from an online seller. Hindi ko na siya itatry since gusto ko naman siya ipakita sa inyo. The next thing that we got is from Watsons. So I got this body milk lotion. Parang lotion. So next na binigay niya sa akin is ito. Actually, ito talaga yung first niya na binigay sa akin. Nahulog siya nung nagmumotor kami. And yay! Thank you so much. For the next items. So, nag-shopping ako sa Temu and I got this wallet. Yeah. Sobrang cute niya guys. So, I bought these mini jars. I usually go out of town a lot. Ito guys, yung laman nito is good for 3 days na siya. Contact lens case. So, ayan. So, sobrang cute na guys since it's pink. This skincare hair band from Temu. Para lang hindi mapunta sa hair niyo yung mga skincare products niya. So, this is everything that I got from Temu. And let's proceed on my Shopee purchases. So, yung FOCALLURE recently have a collaboration with the Sanrio and sobrang excited ko since bumili ako. Pinili ko talaga siya since sobrang cute ng packaging. Oh, it's so cute! Sobrang pigmented niya. Fruity smell siya. And asang candy siya. Yung soft blush cream nila. Tadaan! Sobrang cute niya. Meron din siyang, ayun, cap. Swatch it on my face. Oh, wow. Kahit konti lang. Ay, ang ganda niya. Ganyan yung shade niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-pink niya. Clio Kill Cover Foundwear Foundation. Ayan. And sobrang light niya for me. But I usually mix my foundation with darker concealer since paiba-iba yung skin tone ko. Sobrang dali ko kasing umitim, guys, sa totoo lang. So, next thing that I got is this Maybelline Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. We have pink flash highlighter. Sobrang ganda ng pagka. Eyebrow pencil. Kaya yung pinili ko since I have dark eyebrows. I got this Etude House My Lash Serum Gel Eyeliner. Sobrang liit. Is brown. Ayan. Bayfree Thickening Eyebrow Gel Mascara. I also got myself a contact lens solution. So, yan lang siya, guys. That's another skincare product. Ito siya. Ta-da! Mediheal toner pads. So, it has 90 pads inside. And phytoenzyme peeling pad siya. Malaki talaga siya. Yan siya, guys. Yung amoy, guys, medyo hindi ko gusto. Mabaho siya. The last packs that we have here, ito na natin. Then I realized, whenever nagtotoner ako sa gabi, sobrang daming natatanggal na dumi. And sabi nila, means that I have to change my cleansing routine. So, yun nga, I got myself some cleansing oil. So, I got Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil from Skin 1004. So, meron din silang freebie. Ayan. Sample size na Airfit Sunscreen SPF 50. So, I'm done showing you everything that I got. And now, I have to clean this mess. Kita nyo ba yan, guys? Sobrang kalat ng desk area ko. So, you have to clean that. And I'll be back later. Good evening. Alam niyo ba kung anong oras na ngayon? It's 11 PM and nandito ako. Kausap ko yung camera ko. Anyway, ang dalawa lang nagtatanong ng skincare routine ko, but here I am. Feel ko mag-video. So, yan yun na lang. And by the way, I'm using ito, toner from The Ordinary, yung glycolic acid toner. So, ginagamit ko nga pala to, guys, every 2 days or every 2 nights. Hindi ko siya ginagamit every day since medyo matapang siya. Next sa toner natin is ito, Silitex. So, kakabili ko lang ito. Try na. Ay! Toner na pala siya. Ang tanga ko. Ang toner na. So, mostly sa serums ko is may active ingredients. And bawal siya ihalo doon. So, yeah. Next is, ito, Ceramides Glow Lip Serum. So, hindi ko alam, pero ginagamit ko siya as night serum. Wala from Lancome. Ayan. Huwag na tayo magpanggap. Okay, supply lang. And, ayun lang. Yun lang talaga yung skincare ko. Thank you for watching. Bye!